Next we are going to see example 5.21. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 3, minus 4 and having slope minus 5 by 7. Therefore, equation of the line with the slope m is equal to minus 5 by 7 and the point 3, minus 4 is given. So here is your slope m is equal to minus 5 by 7. Then in this you just take one point, that is coordinate 3, minus 4. You have to find the equation of a straight line. So you have to find the equation of a straight line. The formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here you know the slope m is equal to minus 5 by 7 and you have one coordinates, that is nothing but x1 and y1 value. You directly substitute the values in this equation. You get y minus of y1 value is minus 4. So y minus of minus 4 is equal to slope is minus 5 by 7 into x minus x1 value is 3. So which is implies y plus 4 is equal to minus 5 by 7 into x minus 3. So if you cross multiply 7 into y plus 4, you get 7y plus 7 4s are 28. This is equal to minus 5 into x minus 3. Which is implies 7y plus 28 is equal to minus 5 into x is minus 5x minus 5 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15. The next step is 5x minus 15. We just taking 7y plus 28 to right hand side. So or otherwise minus 5x plus 15 to left hand side. You can do any like this. So minus 5x will become plus 5x if you are taking to left hand side. So 5x minus 15 plus 7y plus 28 is equal to 0. Which is implies 5x plus 7y minus 15 plus 28 is plus 13. So you get the equation of a straight line 5x plus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. Next example 5.22. Find the equation of a line passing through the point A of 1, 4 and perpendicular to the line joining points 2, 5 and 4, 7. So here you have the point, that is B of 2, 5 and another one point, that is C of 4, 7. So you just name the given coordinates 2, 5 as B and 4, 7 as C. You just join the two coordinates. Then there is one another line, another point A 1, 4 which is perpendicular to the line joining the two points. So which is perpendicular means the angle is 90 degree. You have to find the equation. So just taking the 2 points B of 2, 5 and C of 4, 7. The first coordinate is x1, y1 and the second coordinate is x2, y2. So slope of the line BC is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we know the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So the value of y2 is, then the value of y2, y1, x2, x1 is in B 2, 5 is nothing but x1, y1 and 4, 7 is nothing but x2, y2. So the y2 value is 7 minus y1 is 5 divided by x2 value is 4 minus x1 value is 2, which is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2. If you cancel the both, you get 1. The slope of the line BC is equal to 1. That is nothing but the slope M1 is equal to 1. Since slope of the required line M is perpendicular to the line BC, therefore M1 cross M, or otherwise M1 cross M2 is equal to minus 1. So you know the value of M1 is 1 cross M is equal to minus 1. So which is implies M is equal to minus 1. Therefore the equation of the line passing through A of 1 comma 4 is y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value is 4 is equal to minus 1. Now only we found the slope M is minus 1. So you just substitute the value of slope here, minus 1 into x minus x1 value is minus 1. So here you are taking the point A. So 1 is your x1 and 4 is your y1. So which is implies y minus 4 is equal to minus x plus 1, which is equal to x minus 1. We are taking minus x plus 1 to left hand side. So x minus 1 plus y minus 4 is equal to 0, which is implies x plus y minus 5. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line for the point A of 1 comma 4 and perpendicular to the line joining the 2 points 2 comma 5 and 4 comma 7. Next one is example 5.23. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the points. 2 points is given, 5 comma minus 3 and 7 comma minus 4. So therefore solution, the given points are 5 comma minus 3 and 7 comma minus 4. We know the formula. Equation of the line passing through 2 points is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, which is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here the two coordinates are given. The first point 5 comma minus 3 is x1 comma y1 and 7 comma minus 4 is nothing but x2 comma y2. So you just substitute the given coordinates in the formula. Y minus y1 value is minus 3. So minus into minus plus 3 divided by y2 value is minus 4 minus y1 value is minus 3. So again minus into minus plus 3 is equal to x minus x1 value is 5 divided by x2 value is 7 minus 5, which is implies y plus 3 divided by minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, which is equal to x minus 5 divided by 7 minus 5 is 2. The next step is you have to do a cross multiplication. 2 into y plus 3. So 2 into y plus 3. First you have to multiply 2 into y plus 2 into 3. Which is nothing but 2y plus 3 2s are 6. Which is equal to then minus 1 into x. Then minus 1 into minus y. So which is equal to minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus into minus plus 1 5s are 5, which is implies x minus 5 plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore you get the equation of a straight line x plus 2y plus 1, because 6 minus 5 is 1. X plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then example 5.24. Two buildings of different heights are located at opposite sides of each other. If a heavy rod is attached joining the terrace of the buildings from 6, 10 to 14, 12, find the equation of the rod joining the buildings. So for example, you just draw one graph. You just mark the points on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Then here is the building. Two buildings are there. Then the first coordinate is 6, 10. This is the first point of the, or otherwise the terrace of the building. Then the coordinate is 6, 10. Then the second building, the coordinates are 14, 12. This is the terrace of the second building. You just joining the 2 points. It is the heavy rod. You are going to attach the terrace of the 2 buildings. So you have to find the equation of the heavy rod. So the given points are 6, 10 and 14, 12. Therefore, the equation of the line passing through the 2 points, the formula is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, which is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So you just substitute the points. The value of x1, y1 is 6, 10 and x2, y2 is 14, 12. You just substitute the points in the given formula. Y minus y1 value is 10 and y2 is 12 minus y1 value is 10, which is equal to x minus x1 value is 6 divided by x2 value is 14 minus 6. That is x1 value is 6. Which is implies y minus 10 divided by 12 minus 10 is 2, which is equal to x minus 6 by 14 minus 6 is 8. So if you cancel out 2 and 8, you get 4 times 8. Then the next step is you have to do cross multiplication. Y minus 10 divided by 1 is equal to x minus 6 by 4. Then 4 into y minus 4 into 10, which is implies 4y minus 40. Then 1 into x minus 1 into 6, which is equal to x minus 6. Therefore, you get x minus 6 minus 4y plus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of a straight line is x minus 4y plus 34 is equal to 0.